quarterfinal number 2. Gravity versus Team Solo mid. A jump in by Santorin. He goes down immediately. Can't really figure out which target he wants in the beginning. Nice. Knocks back Lust Boy. Very big, but Dyrus is around the wall. He's actually going to use Ragnarok to get himself right out. Everybody dodges the hook.
3 go.
Pull up. Ori.
Nice, Billy, go back.
Gravity take down Team Solo mid. Triple kill for Dyrus, looking for the penta. That's going to be a kill for Turtle. It could still be the Quadra. That's a dropping Spider. TSM always says they're a different team. The 4-man wombo combo coming in with Buddy Fufu. TSM put themselves up 1 game and game point.
Yeah! We did it! You got 7.
You almost got Penta.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you had to quad.
Turtle stole with the rocket. You got a kill. It was you. It was you.
I saw.
It was you.
Did you deny my penta?
It was you, Turtle.
I have Charmin 2, Charmin 1.
I'll take a super low. Nice.
It's no pressure.
Nice.
Nice.
1-2, he gnars out. They're gonna throw in the towel, but no, Dyrus stays alive. No towel to be thrown. And Team Solo mid are gonna take down Gravity 3-1 in the quarterfinals.